Good afternoon, kids. Hello, welcome back in our ENV class. I hope you all are fine. So, kids, today we are going to continue our chapter 9, Shadow. So, our next topic is how long is a shadow? You can see in this both picture. In first picture, observe the shadow of this boy. In second picture, observe the shadow of tree. So first we will see second picture. You can see in the second picture, in the morning, this tree shadow form on ground right side and the sun is present in left side. So always shadow form opposite side of sun. In the evening, you can see this tree shadow form left side and the sun is present in right side. So again shadow form opposite side of sun. You can see in this noon when sun is up, that time this shadow form downside. See, you can see in this picture again this shadow form the opposite side of sun. Okay, now in second picture you can see in morning the sun is in left side, means in east. That time this boy shadow form in right side. You can see this boy shadow in morning form in right side, means the sun in morning is east side. That time shadow form in west side. Okay, now second is evening. This boy shadow in the evening time form left side and the sun present in right side. So again this shadow form opposite side of the sun. In afternoon you can see sun is up. That time this boy shadow form down. Okay, kids, now see that two room. In the first room this light is present and the first room is night picture and in second room day picture. Okay, so why can't we see anything clearly inside the first room? It means in the first room if light is not there, then we can't see anything clearly inside the room. In second room we see all these things clearly without light because it is day picture. In the day sun present, that's why we can see everything. In night sun is not present, so we need some sources of light to see all things. So in first room the sources of light is this bulb. There are many other sources of light like flashlight, headlights of a scooter, burning candle, matchstick, stars and street lights. These all are sources of light. The sun is the most powerful source of light. The earth would have been totally dark without the light from the sun. So sun is our natural source of light. But when the sun is not present in night time, we need to see object. These all sources of light, man-made sources of light like flashlight, candles, matchsticks, street light, bulb, diyas, etc. Okay kids, now time to say bye bye. Stay safe and stay healthy.